earwax. Okay, when man, it doesn't happen to women. When man gets older, they start to, because he trimmed it a little bit. If it doesn't trim, it's more. So he's not that bad. He's only have a little bit right here. Because back then when I have like other clients, they're like covered by hair, like all around the, what's this called in English? Earlobe, yeah. So, and also here, he doesn't have hair right here, just inside right here. So that's gonna be easy. So we're using hard wax on this one. And, okay. So always test your wax before you apply to your client. Or if you are very experienced like I did, so you can see the texture to know that the temperature of the wax. So you make sure that you really work it in, so then the hair is really attached to the wax. I'm going to add it just a little teeny bit more. Okay, so now we're just gonna wait it until it completely dries. Yeah, sometimes people, they do it in a hair salon, have the client sitting in the cutting chair. But I like it. I like to do this when the client laying down, because it's easier for me to pull because they cannot run anywhere. When they're sitting up, they can twist their head and then you lose the grab and actually hurts more. So in this way, there's laying down here, they cannot run anywhere. Okay. So you're just gonna pick it up a little bit and then hold it down. Ready? Take a deep breath. Okay, so it was a little bit too soft, so you should wait for a little bit longer. Does it hurt? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so you see the hair that all came out with the root, so this will last a long time for the hair to grow back. Okay, let me double check. It's pretty clean. Okay, so we're gonna do the other side, have him turn around. We're doing this side of the ear. You can see all the hair inside of the ear, and we're gonna get rid of them. Okay. So wax and spread it out a little bit and get these wax in, pat it in, and make sure they're getting all over on the hair, and in the hairs is like really build it in to the wax. Okay, this time we're gonna wait a little bit longer. Yeah, this wax is very gentle. It doesn't dry up like fast as some of the wax on the market, but this one really grabs the hair and doesn't cause breakage. Okay, so that's pretty much ready. Okay, we're gonna you can use your finger to hold it down and then pick it up, okay, and drag the earlobe. Okay, that part was a little too thin. I haven't been doing waxing in a while, so okay, so that's how to do a ear waxing.
Normally you should use gloves, but we kind of know each other.
If you're working in a salon, you should wear gloves.
Right.
Yes.